Hello.
Yes,
Yeah, can you hear me, Anne?
good. Yes, I
Yeah.
can hear you clearly.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So, good evening. How are you today?
Yes, I'm fine today.
Yes, very
And you?
good. I'm fine and good too. I'm still alive and kicking, Anne. So, thank you
Yeah.
for that. Okay. So, without further ado, Anne, let's continue our lesson. So, I'm going to share the presentation to you for a while.
Yes.
Okay, just for a moment. Okay. So, I hope you can see the presentation, Anne. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so let's try to move on to our unit two. The title of the lesson is all about Can I Take Your Coat? Okay, so we don't know what would happen maybe in that particular restaurant. So, why is it? The question is, Can I take your coat? You know what's a coat, right? And yeah,
Uh,
yeah, a
yes.
coat can be something like you can be able to wear that.
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like a blazer, so that would be a coat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and we were able to study. I asked you last time or yesterday, which kind of restaurant do you like to go, and you said you sometimes go to an expensive restaurants, and you were able to give the reasons why you go there. Okay.
Yes.
And after that one, you also explained to me that you also go to a small and local restaurants, and you were able to give also your reason why is it you eat or dine in there. Okay. Now
Yes.
let's try to answer another question. What do you usually have to eat when you go out for a meal?
Mm. When you go out.
Yes. What do you
Um,
usually eat? So in
yeah.
answering the question, you may say, I
I,
eat.
I,
Okay, I eat.
what do you
Usually
usually
have
have?
to
Yeah.
eat.
When I go out for meal,
Yes.
yes. Um, I I like um go out.
I like to eat.
I like to eat some uh maybe fast food
Okay.
or
So
yeah,
I'd like to eat some fast foods.
yeah. I
Okay.
just food for uh it uh the food it often for teen
Okay.
not too much uh, not too much
Okay.
too
To like, do you like also food like spicy? Like,
yeah
oh,
um
okay.
um spicy or chicken
Okay, like.
ice cream
Okay,
and
spicy
milk tea
food. Okay,
with my friend.
chicken. Okay, milk tea. Okay,
Mm,
and
or you know
foods.
that dish, yeah,
Okay, the foods that are rich in protein, right? That is what you
yeah,
what you mean, right? So foods that are rich in protein, right?
yes,
Okay, so that will be it. So I like to eat some fast foods like spicy food, chicken, milk tea, and foods that are rich in in proteins. Okay, so that's what
yeah,
you usually eat when you go out for a meal, like
yes,
right, Anne? Okay,
yeah,
or you can also say. Okay, the most simplest way on how to answer this question, you may say, I usually eat um, I usually eat those foods that are rich in protein, like like chicken. Okay, because
Yeah.
protein is what we can get also to a chicken is a protein, right?
Yeah.
Milk. Okay, that would also be a protein in there, right? Aside from um, aside from calcium, there is also protein in there, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, okay, so that means you like to eat food that are rich in protein.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Why? Because do you have any condition that that you considered? Why do you like eating foods that are rich in protein?
Yeah. Not really food rich in protein. I just like go with friends and eat food um and not just it's for uh eat small food
Ah,
and
okay.
yeah, with coffee, with
Ah,
milk tea, with
yeah.
coca coke with coke
Yeah,
drink, yeah.
yeah, Coke.
uh,
Yeah, so you drink
and
Coke, soda. That's soda, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
and
So you also
we talk
yes.
with a friend, um yeah,
Yeah.
and I I don't I not often eat food that make me uh, opposite
Hot.
to opposite to um
That can give you a lot of
their hungry,
thoughts.
opposite to hungry.
Ah, okay.
it, it made me uh, like uh, like a bowl of
Yeah.
noodle
Ah,
or yeah.
okay. That can give you a lot of energy also, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So like noodles, because noodles is a carbohydrates, so it can give us also energy, right? What
Yeah.
about, do you also eat fish?
It's
Do you like also eating fish?
fish. Yes.
Yes.
I uh,
Okay.
I like it fish than meat.
Ah, yeah. So meat,
Yeah.
okay. Fish and meat. Okay, so those are also rich in protein, right? What about vegetables, Anne? Do you also eat vegetable?
Yes. I like vegetable. Must I often try to the food that have a lot of vegetable.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, that would be nice, okay? Actually, um, there is the so-called balance, okay? What we call balance diet, right?
Yeah.
So if we eat a balanced diet food, that means all of the main thing in order for our body to become strong, to become healthy, so we need
Yeah.
to do the balanced diet food, right? So there is vegetables in it, there would be meat in it, there would also be fish in it. There would also be something like a fruit. So those are balance, right? And
Yeah.
yeah, okay. So let's move on to the listening part, Anne. So in a restaurant, okay? So when we are talking about in a restaurant, that would be, let's say, you are now eating together with your friends, right? As you can see in the picture, what they're doing. Just like a typical maybe a day with the friends together, right? As we can see
Yeah.
in here, you are talking, you are chatting, you are telling jokes or cracking jokes while eating, right? Okay,
Yeah.
and so let's try to listen to these questions. Then pick when a writer or waiter might ask each question. Okay? before the meal, during the meal. Okay,
Yes.
and so let's try to listen.
Recording 11. A.
Can I take your coat?
B.
Is everything okay with your meal?
C.
Are you ready to order?
D.
Would you like anything to drink first?
Okay, for a while, Anne. Let's try to go back, ha. Let's try to listen one by one so that we can be able to check. Okay, because if we were going to listen them all, that might be
Yeah.
scrambled in our mind. Okay, let's start together again.
Recording 11. A.
Can I take your coat?
Okay, can I take your coat? So that would be before the meal, right?
Yeah.
So before the meal, when you say before the meal, you're not starting eating yet. So that would be before the meal. When you say during the meal, that means you are starting to eat now, right? And okay, so
Yes.
let's try to check before the meal. Next, letter B.
B.
Is everything okay with your meal?
Okay, so is everything okay with your meal?
Yeah.
So what do you think is that?
During the meal,
Okay, so during
the
the
meal.
meal. Okay, that's correct. Next, letter C.
C.
Are you ready to order?
Okay,
Yeah.
are
Are
you ready
you
to order?
before the meal?
Yes, of course. Okay, you're not starting yet a meal because you are just going to order, right?
Yes.
Okay, next.
D.
Would you like anything to drink first?
Okay, would you like
Yeah.
anything to drink
Anything to
first?
drink first. Before the meal?
Yes, it's also before the meal. Okay, and then
E.
Here's your main course, the steak.
okay, here's your main course, steak.
During the meal?
Okay, so that will be during the meal because you are
Yeah.
about to eat that, right? Okay,
Yes.
next.
F.
Have you made a reservation?
Have you made a reservation?
Have you made
Have you
during the
made
meal?
Okay, have you made a reservation? That means prior to that event, you call maybe for a reservation. Like for example, we have to reserve uh we have to reserve five, okay, a table for five. So that means prior to your meal, so there is a reservation. So it's
Before the
definitely
meal?
before the meal, okay? Because sometimes, especially during the pandemic, and right, you cannot go out. So what do you usually do? You just have to reserve, right? So
Yeah.
can I reserve a seat for only one? Okay?
Yeah.
When there is a time that we are allowed to dine in, but during those pandemics, it's just only one in one table, right? And
Yeah.
yeah, so
Yeah.
we can reserve actually ahead of time. Okay, next.
G.
Would you like some more wine?
Okay, would you like some more wine?
During the meal?
Yes, okay, because
Yeah.
you are
Some
eating. So
more?
after maybe after eating, would you like to have some wine, right? Uh,
Yeah.
do you do that one also, Anne? If let's say you have a party or you meet with your friends, you eat with your friends, then after eating, do you drink wine? Do you do
No.
that? Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Ah,
I don't drink wine. I drink beer.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, me. Me, it's the opposite. I don't drink beer because I don't like the taste of the beer, but I
Yeah.
drink wine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like wine.
Uh,
Any wine, I like that one. Okay,
yeah.
because less alcohol, and then aside from that, it's good for the body. Not unlike with the
Yeah.
beer. Actually, the beer, I don't like the taste of the beer. Okay,
Oh,
so,
yeah.
so the last one.
H.
Can I get you any dessert?
Okay, can I get you any dessert?
During the meal.
Yes, okay. Because, of course, after eating, what would be the next? It should be the main or the dessert, right? So you are going to eat the dessert. You will not going to eat dessert before the meal, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, okay. So that would be it. So again, before the meal, okay, this means that you're not yet starting to eat. Okay? During the meal, that means you are about or you already eaten, okay, or
Yeah.
you are eating at this point in time. So that would be during the meal. Okay? And
Yes.
okay. Do you have any questions so far with this? And
No more.
no more. Now,
No more,
moving
please.
on, let's try to listen again and match its question A to H. Okay, so we will going to match the question A, B, C up to H with the reply 1 to 8. Okay, let's try to listen again.
Recording 11. A.
Can I take your coat?
Okay, can I take your coat? So the reply would be no, thank you. I'll keep it with me. Okay, so that would
Yeah.
be letter A on. Okay. Oh, let me see, huh? Maybe this one is different from the other. It's the same. Okay. Ah, we were going to do the possible, okay, the possible answer to the question and, okay? Okay,
Yeah.
next.
B.
Is everything okay with your meal?
Mm. Is everything okay with your meal?
Mm, uh, oh, it look lovely. Thank you.
Is everything okay with your meal? That would be number.
Yeah. 4.
Yes, that will be number 4. Yes,
Yes,
it's
please.
wonderful. Thank you. Okay, next, let's try to hear another question.
C.
Are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order?
Mm,
Oh, sorry. So
yeah.
this one is 5, letter B, right? Okay, letter C. Are you ready to
Or
order?
or the sentence 3. Oh yes, please. It's very nice.
No.
No.
Yes. Are you
Yeah,
ready
yeah.
to
Okay.
order?
The number 8. Yes, please. I will have an orange juice.
No, because it says in here, yes, please, I have an orange juice. So if someone would ask you, are you ready to order? Actually, there are two ways on how to answer them. It can be a yes or it can be a no, right? So in
Yes.
this case, Anne, they're not yet ready to order. So that would be number 5. That's letter C.
5. Yeah.
Yes, they were going to say, not yet. Can we have a little more time? So you can also say that one, right?
Yeah.
In a to a waiter, you may say, if you are not yet ready to order, you may use this one. Oh, I'm sorry, not yet. Can we have a little more time? Okay, why do you need to do that? Because sometimes your friends are just looking at the menu and then they're not yet decided. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's why. They need to have little more time. Okay, and
Yeah.
okay, next.
Yes.
Letter D.
D.
Would you like anything to drink first?
Okay, would you like anything to drink first?
Yes. Yes, please. I will have an orange juice.
Yes. Okay, so this one is letter D, definitely, right? Okay,
Yeah.
next.
E.
Here's your main course, the steak.
Here's your main course, the steak.
This thing. It look lovely. Thank you.
Yes, so this one is letter E. Oh, it looks lovely. Again, you have seen in here
Yeah.
A.
Oh, it look
Yes,
lovely.
thank you. Right?
Thank you.
Oh, later on, we will
Yeah.
going to pronounce them correctly, Anne. Okay? So you have to be ready, huh? You have to prepare. Okay, next.
F.
Have you made a reservation?
Okay,
Yeah.
F. Have you made a reservation?
Mm, yes, I booked a table for 8 o'clock.
Yes, so this one is letter F. Okay, so yes, I've booked a table for 8 o'clock. Okay, next.
G.
Would you like some more wine?
Would you like some more wine?
Oh yes, please. It's very nice.
Very good. Okay, so this one is letter G. Okay, and then,
H.
Can I get you a dessert?
okay, of course, this one is
Yeah,
the last
that's for
one.
me. Yeah,
Okay,
thank you.
not for
Not
me.
for.
Thank you. I'm full. Okay, now it's about time for us um to do this one, Anne. Okay. Oh, let's try to practice first. Letter A first. You have to say no. Pause for a while because there is a comma. No. Thank you. Then full stop because there's a period. I'll keep it with me. Okay, so full stop. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, can you say that one, Anne?
No, thank you. I will eat. I I will keep it with me.
Okay,
I
I'll
will keep it
keep
with.
it. Okay, this is a connected speech. I'll keep it. I'll keep it.
Yes, I'll keep it.
Yes,
I'll keep
with
it with me.
yes, I'll keep it with me. Okay, can you say
Uh,
that one more time, Anne?
no, thank you. I will keep it with me.
Very good. Okay, next, letter B. Yes, it's wonderful. Thank you.
Yes, it's it's wonderful. Thank you.
Right. On letter C. Not yet. Can we have a little more time?
Uh, Not yet. Can we have a little more time?
Okay, good. There's a rising intonation. Then letter D. Yes, please. I'll have an orange juice.
Yes, please. I'll have an orange juice.
Okay, I haven't. Oh, so this is again a connected speech.
Yeah,
I'll have an. I'll have
I,
an orange juice.
I haven't. I have an orange juice.
Okay, orange
Orange
juice.
juice.
Okay, we do not.
Orange juice.
Yes. So just only monotone because it's a period. It's not rising. So yes, please. I'll have an orange juice.
Yes, please. I'll have an orange juice.
Okay, that's letter D, right? Letter E. Oh, it looks lovely. Thank you.
Oh, it looks lovely. Thank you.
Good. Okay, letter F. Yes, I've booked a table for 8 o'clock.
Yes, I've booked a table for 8 o'clock.
Okay, letter F. G. Oh, yes, please. It's very nice.
Oh, yes, please. It's very nice.
Okay, and not for me. Thank you. I'm full.
Not for me, thank you. I'm full.
Okay. Now let's try. You have to listen and then answer. Okay.
Recording
Yeah.
11. A.
Can I take your coat?
No, thank you. I'll keep it with me. With me. I'll keep
B.
it with me.
Is everything okay with your meal?
Yes, it's wonderful. Thank you.
C.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Can we have a little more time?
D.
Would you like anything to drink first?
Yes, please. I'll have an orange juice.
Good.
E.
Here's your main course, the steak.
Oh, it looks lovely. Thank you.
Oh, it looks lovely. Okay, again.
Oh, it looks lovely. Thank you.
Good. Okay.
F.
Have you made a reservation?
Uh, uh, yes, I've booked a table for 8 o'clock.
For 8 o'clock. For 8 o'clock.
For 8 o'clock.
Yes. Okay, because
Yeah,
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Okay, something like
8 o'clock.
yes, I book a table for 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Yes, I've booked a table for 8 o'clock.
Yes, 8 o'clock. A little bit more faster, a little bit. So for 8 o'clock. For 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Eight
Yeah.
o'clock.
Yes. Yes, I book a table for 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Yes, I've booked a table for 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Okay. And then
Yeah.
G.
Would you like some more wine?
Um. G. Oh yes, please. It's very nice.
okay. And then letter H.
H.
Can I get you any dessert?
Not for me, thank you. I'm full.
Okay, so that will be it then, huh? Now, this is going to be the one that you were going to record on. Okay, so you
Yeah.
were going to record this one. I have to listen to you how you answer. Okay, but of course, just say this one. A, B, C. So the you follow the order on. So from A up to H. Like for example, you may say, "No, thank you. I'll keep it with me." And then you need to proceed to letter B. "Yes, it's wonderful. Thank you." And then,
Yeah.
"Not yet. Can we have a little more time?" Okay, so that's what you are going to do on. Okay, so
Yes.
this is going to be your homework. So you need to record this one. I have to listen on how you were going to emphasize the comma, the period, the exclamation point, the question mark. Okay, and
Yeah. Yes.
okay. Now, do you have questions with this?
Yeah. No more,
No more.
please.
So let's proceed to activity number 3. So in this audio, let's try to look at these 3 short conversations. Try to guess the missing words. Then listen and check. So let's try to guess first. Okay, number 1
Yes.
is given. "Hello, I booked a table for 7 o'clock. The name's Katai." The waiter said, "Ah, yes. Follow me, please." And then the waiter were going to say, "Are you?"
Ready to order?
Okay, let's try, huh? If that
Um,
would be the answer. Okay, I'm not going to say that this one is correct, huh? So we
yeah.
will just going to assume. Are you ready to order? Okay, next, the customer would say, "Yes, for."
Yes. For me.
Okay, For me, okay,
For
let's
me,
try to put that one. Yes, for me, I'd like the soup, please. And then the waiter would say, and for your,
your friends,
okay, let's try. And for your friends. And then after that, the customer would say, I'll have the salmon.
mm,
Thank you. And then the waiter
um,
would say, very
very
good.
good.
And
And
would you like?
some, would you like something to drink?
Okay, would you like something, something to drink? Okay. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Something. Okay. Next, according to the customer, just some mineral water, please. And then the waiter would say, would you like?
Like any July um more dish,
Okay, would you like more dish?
any dish. Yeah.
Okay. Would you like more dish? Is this okay? Oh, let's try. Okay. We will just going to listen, okay? If that would be correct. Then the customer would say, no thanks, I'm full. Can I have,
A bill, please.
okay, the bill,
The bill,
please?
please.
The bill, please. Okay. So it's about time for us to listen and if we
Yeah.
were able to answer them correctly, okay? So that would be number 12.
Recording 12. Conversation 1.
Hello, I booked a table for 7 o'clock. The name's Katai.
Yes. Follow me, please.
Okay. So I booked a table. Next, let's try to listen to number 2 on.
Conversation 2.
Are you ready to order?
Wow. Okay. So
Yeah.
are you ready to order? That's correct. Now let's hear again.
Yes. For starter, I'd like the soup, please.
Okay. So do you think? Yes, for me, I'd like the soup, please.
No.
Oh, what's the answer? According to the audio? Okay, for
For task
starter.
starter.
Yes, so for starter,
Yeah.
I'd like the soup, please. And then let's try.
And for your main course?
And
Your
for your,
main course.
yes, so
Main
this one
course.
is for your main course. Okay. And then the customer say,
I'll have the salmon, thank you.
Very good. And would you like anything to drink?
would
Anything
you
to
like,
drink?
yes, so would you like anything to drink? Okay, but of course, we can also use this, Anne. Okay? We
Yeah.
can use anything, but we can also use something, right? So
Yes.
anything or something to drink, that would also be accepted. Okay? Oh, that's
Yeah.
correct. Ay, sorry. And then after that, let's try to listen.
Just some mineral water, please.
Conversation 3.
Would you like dessert?
Okay. So would you like dessert? Okay,
Dessert.
not
Yeah.
dish. Okay, so would you like dessert? Okay. Yes. Okay, and then according to the customer,
No, thanks. I'm full. Can I have the bill, please?
yes. Okay. Now let's try to discuss them on. Okay. When we are talking about starter, what does it mean?
The first dish. The
Yes.
first course.
Okay. Actually, a starter is different from the main course. Okay. So a starter can just be like soup, right? So
Yeah.
that would be a starter. So we do not say starter dish, okay? Or starter course. So it can be just only a starter. So a starter can be a soup. Sometimes in a certain restaurant, instead of yeah, but actually the expensive, the most cozy restaurant, they serve first soup, right?
Yeah.
And so they serve first soup, and then sometimes they also served like for example, peanut, right? So peanuts. So they
Yes.
also serve that one, something that you can be able to eat while waiting for your main course,
Yes.
right? And so that is a starter. And then after that, the main course. So the main course would be that includes, of course, the the main dish. Like for example, if you wanted to order a chicken, okay, if you wanted to
And
order
noodle.
noodles, okay,
Yes.
if you wanted to order like for example a curry, right?
Yes.
Okay, together with okay with
Bread.
rice, right?
With rice. Yeah.
Yeah, so that would be a main course. And after the main course, there should be a dessert, right?
Yeah.
So a dessert can be an ice cream. Am I
Yeah.
right? And okay, so can be an ice cream, something that it's sweet. So that can be a dessert. And
Yeah.
then after a dessert, if you want to drink some wine, so that would be it. So that would be part of the drink. Okay? And
Yeah.
okay, so this is now the order. The order of what? The order on how we will going to order in a certain restaurant. Because sometimes the waiter will going to ask you, okay, what is what do you like for starter? So
Yeah.
you are going to, because if they have this particular menu for starter, you can also
Cho- choose.
choose or select the one that you
Yeah.
like. If you don't like soup, then maybe there's another starter that they can be able to serve, so you can say that. But usually in a big restaurant, you don't have a choice because they will the one serving the starter, right?
Yeah.
Like for example, for a starter, so you just have to sit down, and then after a while, the waiter will going to go with you, and then they will going to serve you some soup, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And the main course, of course, the waiter will going to take your order. So what is your main course, ma'am, sir? Okay. So you are going to see there on their menu list the main course that they have, right? And
Yeah.
okay,
Yes.
and it's also been there the dessert. So you can also choose whatever dessert you want. Okay, it can be an
Yeah.
ice cream, it can be a cake, so whatever which is sweet, right? And
Yes.
okay,
Yes.
now let's try to practice this one. And you will be the customer, I will be the waiter. Okay, go.
Yes. Hello. I booked a table for 7 o'clock. The name's Kaita.
Ah,
Katais.
yes. Follow me, please. Are you ready to order?
Yes. Yes. For tartar, I'd like the soup, please.
And for your main course?
I'll have a salmon. Thank you.
Very good. And would you like something to drink?
Just some mineral water, please.
Okay. Would you like dessert?
No, thanks. I'm full. Can I have the bill, please?
Good. Okay. Let's exchange now on. So you will be the waiter and I will be the customer. Hello.
Yes.
I booked a table for 7 o'clock. The name's Katai.
Yes. Follow me, please. Are you ready to order?
Yes, for starter, I'd like the soup, please.
And for your main course?
I'll have the salmon, thank you.
Very good. Very good. I would like to anything to drink.
Just some mineral water, please.
Would you like dessert?
Dessert.
Dessert. Dessert.
Yeah.
Dessert.
Yes, because and remember, dessert is different from dessert. So dessert is a dry place. So this one is a dry
Yes.
and dry and hot place. So this is dessert. Okay, we pronounce this
Yes.
one as dessert, but this one is dessert. It should be dessert. Okay, you have
Dessert.
to remember that one, Anne. There are
Yeah.
two words that have the same pronunciation. Okay, actually
Yeah.
it's different, but somehow they are the same. Like dessert, this one is dessert. The food, dessert. But if you're talking of a place that is dry and hot, so that would be dessert.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Dessert.
Okay.
Would
Can
you
you
like
please?
dessert?
Would you like dessert?
Would you like dessert?
Yes. Okay. Would you like dessert?
Would you like dessert?
No, thanks. I'm full. Can I have the bill, please? Okay, so that would be it, Anne.
Yes.
Okay. Or remember, dessert. And this one is a dessert. Can you say it, Anne?
Dessert. Dessert.
Yes. Dessert. It should be fast dessert. And this one is dessert. So the what is one? The the stress is in here. Dessert. Okay.
Yes.
Dessert. But in here,
Dessert.
dessert. The stress is in here.
Yeah.
Dessert. Okay.
Dessert.
Dessert. Yes. And
Dessert.
this one is dessert.
Dessert. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So do you have any questions with this, Anne?
Yes. No more.
No more.
Teacher.
Okay. So moving on with this one. Okay. So we are going to do the focus on describing food. So this time, how we will going to describe the food that we wanted to eat. Okay, sometimes, oh, that would be a very good food. But if you don't know how to order, so what would happen? If you don't know how to describe the food that you would like, so what would happen? You cannot be able to order them, right? And so
Yes.
it's very important we know how to describe food. Okay? Now, underline the positive adjectives to describe food. So when we are talking about adjective on, so
Yes. I know.
yes, so these are words that describe.
Describe.
Right. Like for example, good, right? It tastes good. Yummy, okay? Spicy. So those are adjectives, okay?
Yes.
And when we are talking about positive, that means, okay, positive means that would be things that you like, right? When we say negative adjective, that means you don't like, right? And
Yes. Yes.
okay, so circle the negative ones. Okay, number one. What about when you say tender?
Tender.
So underline the positive adjectives to describe food. Okay. So let's try to understand. Underline first the positive adjective. So tender. Is it positive?
I don't know the meaning.
Okay.
The
Tender
tender.
means when you bite It's you can bite it easily. So that would be tender. Okay? Because
Um,
there are some meat that when you bite, it's not tender, right? You're going to be something like that. You cannot bite it easily. So that's
yeah,
not tender. Okay? So
yeah,
tender means when you bite, when you use the fork, you can be able to eat them easily because it's tender. Okay?
yes.
Yeah. So what about tender? When it's tender, is it positive or negative?
Um, Positive.
Yes, positive because it's tender, right? Okay,
Yeah.
when you eat a tender, like sometimes they said tender, juicy hot dog, right? They say that one, tender, juicy hot dog. That means it's going to be when you eat, it's going to be tender and then juicy. So tender, okay? Not
Yeah.
like just like a plastic bag, right? A plastic bag, it's not tender, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you cannot easily break them. So that would be tender. That would be not tender. Okay, next, when you say bland, you know what's
Oh,
bland?
no, I don't know the
Yeah.
plan.
Okay, so bland means this one, huh? Okay, that means it's boring. Okay, and
Boring.
yeah, so bland means it's boring. Okay, so what is this? Is this negative? Positive.
Negative.
Yes, so we need to encircle that one. Okay, so remember, bland is boring. Next, when you say crispy,
Crispy. Positive.
yes,
Yeah.
okay. When you eat crispy food, there is a sound that's crispy. Okay, next,
Crispy. Yeah.
yes, juicy.
Juicy. What is juicy?
Juicy means there's a lot of liquid, right? Okay, when you eat, it's not like something like, oh, it doesn't have liquid. It's not juicy, right? Because the word juice, it's watery. So juicy is watery. So
Yeah.
when you eat like pork that is juicy, oh, that would be nice, right? But when you eat pork that it's not juicy, something like you are eating wood, right? It doesn't have
Yeah.
it doesn't have a juice. Okay, so juicy is
Juicy. Positive.
positive. Greasy. You know what's greasy?
No,
A
I
lot
don't know.
oil. Okay, there would be a lot of oil, so there it's greasy. Sometimes foods have too much oil in it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is
Greasy.
greasy. Okay? So greasy means
Negative.
negative. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, what about tough? Oh, this is the opposite of tender.
Tender.
So it's tough.
Yeah.
So tough
Uh,
is
Negative.
negative. Okay. And then when you say underdone,
Um,
you know what's
I
underdone?
I think underdone mean the the food um the food it it boiled um not not
Cook,
not um
not cook very well. So that means
yeah.
yes. So that means it's not yet cooked. So that's
uh,
underdone. That's
Not
why.
yet cooked,
Yes, underdone.
completely completely the not yet cooked
Yes,
anymore.
like no, no. You cook them, but maybe the time is not suited. That's why it's
I
going to
The
be tough.
time is not
Let's say in order for you to let the meat to become tender, you need to cook that for about 1 hour to become
yeah.
tender. But since you don't have enough time, you just cook that one for only half hour. So
Yeah.
30 minutes. So therefore, it's
Yes.
undone. So
Yeah.
not fully
Negative.
okay.
Yeah.
So not fully cooked.
Yeah.
Okay. So that would be it. Next. Next.
Fresh. Yeah.
Fresh.
Positive.
Yes, of course. So like for example, when we eat a fresh vegetables, that would be nice, right? Okay,
Yeah.
next. Tasty.
Tasty. Tasty. I think positive.
Yes, because when say tasty, it tastes good, right? And then when say overcook, oh, if there is undone, underdone, the
Yeah.
opposite of underdone is
Overcooked.
yes. So sometimes,
Negative.
like, yeah, sometimes when you overcook the food, so what happened to the food? It's very tender.
Tender. Yeah.
It's too much. It's too much. Wherein you cannot eat them well. Why? Because something like it looks like now a soup, right? Because
Yeah.
the meat is so tender, overcooked. So when you use a pork, you cannot use a
A
fork
spoon.
anymore.
Yeah.
You can just use a spoon in order to eat the meat. So just like a soup, it's already a soup, not a
Yeah.
meat, right? So
Oh.
because you overcook them.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, on. Now, think of one food that is salty.
Salty.
What, yes. So what do you think would be the food that is salty?
Um, fish sauce.
Yeah.
You know fish sauce?
Yeah,
Fish
fish
sauce?
sauce. Okay, a
Yeah.
fish sauce. Okay. A fish
E,
sauce is
fish sauce is often used in Philippines.
yes.
It it
Yeah.
is common in your country.
Ingredients. Yes. Actually, I had a fish sauce came from Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a because Vietnam is known for its finest and delicious fish sauce.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And yeah, aside from the fish sauce, you know what's a dried fish? Dried fish.
Yes. Right
Uh,
fish.
yeah, because when you dry the fish, you need to put salt in it. So it is
Yeah.
salt. And then, okay, you know that uh, pizza are
Pizza.
salty.
Salty.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So pizzas are salty actually. Okay. Next, what about hot and spicy food?
Hot and spicy. Um, curry.
Okay,
Maybe.
that's curry. Yes, it's a curry. There's a noodles that's hot and spicy, right?
Yes.
Right. So there's a noodles that is hot and spicy.
Yeah. Especially Thai.
Ah,
Thailand. Thai. Hot pot.
yeah, yeah. Because when I went to Thailand, their food, actually, all of their foods have s- have this particular spice.
Spice. Yeah.
Yes, they use when we eat the curry in Thailand. Actually, and wow,
Spicy and sour.
yes,
Yeah.
I
Thai
couldn't
food.
take, I couldn't take that one anymore because it's something like what is one pricking my tongue because
Uh,
it's too spicy. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. What about sour
Sour.
food? Mm.
Lemon.
Yes. Lemon, right? That would be sour food. Lemon. Okay. Next, what about sweet food?
With um sweet food.
Mm, it's
With
very
soup.
sweet. Cake, right? Ice cream.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah, especially
It is
now it's
simple, but
very,
yeah, ice cream.
yeah. Actually, now, last week I made an ice cream for my family. Okay.
You
Yeah, I
ice
made an ice cream for my
yeah,
family.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because this summer is going to be very hot, and so we need to eat a lot of cold foods in
Yeah.
here.
Cold. Yeah.
Yeah, in order for us not to have a heat stroke, because if we don't drink more water and we don't eat cold foods, sometimes we feel that we will be able to have a heat stroke because it's
Fish
very
roll.
hot. Yeah, it's very hot here in the Philippines, and
Yeah. Very hot.
okay,
The what the temperature?
it's 40 to 41, and the most
Yeah.
is 41. Yes, 40 to 41 degrees centigrade
Yeah.
or Celsius.
Too
So it's
hot.
going to be very hot. That's why, as you can see, I'm sweating, huh? I'm sweating at this point in time because
Yeah.
it's too hot. What about in Vietnam?
This time now is about 27
Oh,
to yeah, I think about 27 and sometime 35,
wow, that would be
35.
nice.
Yeah,
I like that weather, Anne.
some
I like cold
some
weather actually.
will yeah, in several months the temperature can until 40, but yeah,
Yes.
it's too hot.
It's very hot actually, okay? When we go out, let's say in the noontime, you cannot sustain the heat of the sun. Even you are using an umbrella, still it's going to be very hot. And as if your skin will
Skin
going to burn. And
burn, yeah,
actually I have allergies at this point in time because of the sweat or sweating. So
yeah,
I'm scratching my body because of that sweat. That's why we need to take a bath 3 times a day.
yeah. Take about 3 times
Yes, 3 times
a
a
day.
day. That would be morning, that would be noontime, and before we have to sleep because it's going to be very hot.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's it. Now, bitter.
What is the bitter?
Okay, actually
Um,
bitter means the opposite of sweet. Okay, so bitter is coffee. Okay, coffee is bitter. Okay? And that
coffee.
would
Ah, yeah, yeah.
yes,
Bitter. Yeah.
bitter melon. So melon is also bitter. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Or savory.
Savory. I
Savory
don't know
means,
too.
yeah, when you say savory, oh, it sabors very. There would be a lot of what is one, a lot of spice, savory,
Pie.
a lot of let's say a lot of what is one,
Smell.
no, savory. Okay, I have to explain it to you, huh? Just for a moment. So savory means, okay, so there would be, savory means, yeah, salty, spicy, tangy. So all of the tastes are there. So that would be savory.
Yeah.
So what are
Early.
examples of savory food?
Mm,
It feels like for example, it's there. It's the saltiness, the sweetness is already there, the tanginess is already there. So Maybe we can say that savory foods that is considered to be a savory. Okay, what do you think, Anne? Those foods that are savour or savory food.
What food?
Okay. Maybe it's bread, right? The bread. Because when you make a bread, you need to have salt, you need to have sugar, right? And
Yeah.
have a lot of ingredients. So that would be savory.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that would be it. Okay, and so it's about time for us to say goodbye again. Okay.
Yeah.
So we will going to see each other again by tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay. So thank you so much for your time and see you by tomorrow. Have a good night.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher,
Yeah,
and have a good
welcome.
night.
Yeah.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
Bye.